3.
Good afternoon to all, dear students. I am solving the question number 1 from exercise 2.2, chapter polynomial of ninth standard. So, I am giving a solution. Five x minus 4x square plus 3. In this question, we have to find out the value of 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0. So, at x equal to 0. First of all, we write down px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So, you can write in standard form, implies that px equal to minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. So put x equal to 0, then p0 equal to minus 4 0 square plus 5 0 plus 3. You may write down p0 equal to minus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 0 plus 3 implies that 3 equal to 3. Now it is the first solution. Second, px equal to minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3 at x equal to minus 1. Then p minus 1 equal to minus 4 minus 1 square 5 minus 1 plus 3 equal to p minus 1 equal to minus 4 into plus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 3 equal to minus 4 minus 5 plus 3, it means minus 6. So now we have to find out third part. Now I am attending third part of the question number 1. At x equal to 2. So p2 equal to minus 4 2 square plus 5 2 plus 3 equal to minus 4 into 4 plus 5 to the 10 plus 3. P2 equal to minus 16 plus 10 plus 3 minus 16 plus 13 equal to minus 3. In this way we can find the values of first part x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. So now I am attending next question. Question number 2 of exercise 2.2. Dear students, now I am attending question number 2. In this question we have to find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. So now I am giving solution. First part, Py equal to y square minus y plus 1. But from this question we have to find out P0. It means at y equal to 0. P0 0 square minus 0 plus 1 equal to 0 minus 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, we can find P1 equal to at y equal to 1. Then 1 square minus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel out equal to 1 at y equal to 2, then p2 equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 2 square 4 minus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 4 minus 2 2, 2 plus 1 3. So in this way we can find second part also. I am attending second part. Second part, I am continuing second part. Pt equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t power cube at t equal to 0. So P0 equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 0 square minus 0 cube equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 0 equal to 2 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0. Answer will be 2. Similarly, we have to find out P1. So at t equal to 1, P1 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 1 square minus 1 cube equal to 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1 equal to 4. So in this manner we can find P2 also at t equal to 2. So P2 equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 2 square minus 2 cube equal to 2 to 4 plus 2 into 4 minus 8 equal to 2 to 4 plus 8 minus 8 cancel out equal to 4. In this way we can find second part solution. Now I am attending third part of this question. Third part. Now Px equal to x cube at x equal to 0, then P0 equal to 0 power cube equal to 0 at x equal to 1, P1 equal to 1 cube. Answer will be 1 because 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. Similarly at x equal to 2, then P2 equal to 2 power cube, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equal to 8. So we can solve this problem in this way. Now I am attending fourth part. Px equal to x minus 1, x plus 1 at x equal to 0, then P0 equal to 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1 equal to minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1 at x equal to 1, P1 equal to 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 0 into 2 equal to 0. At x equal to 2, then p2 equal to 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1 equal to 1 into 3 equal to 3. So in this way we can find p0, p1 and p2 from question number 2. So now I am returning question number 3. Now I am returning question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial px equal to 3x plus 1 and x equal to minus 1 over 3. It is the question of first part of this question. So now I am giving solution. Px equal to 3x plus 1 at x equal to, it is the polynomial. For finding zeros, px equal to 0. Therefore 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x equal to minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 upon 3. तब लिखोगे yes, x equal to minus 1 upon 3 is the zero of px equal to 3x plus 1. So we can find the zeros. So it is the verified x equal to minus 1 upon 3. This is the zeros.
3.
Now I am giving a solution of second part of the question number 3 from exercise 2.2 chapter polynomials of 9th standard. For finding zeros, now I am writing polynomial px equal to 5x minus 5. For finding zeros, px equal to 0. It means 5x minus pi equal to 0. 5x equal to pi. X equal to pi upon 5. It is the 0. Therefore x equal to pi upon, so x equal to 4 upon 5 is not a zero. Zeros of px equal to 5x minus pi. That is the solution. I will take the next lecture for the other solutions tomorrow.